When you book a job, each contact on the job will have access to their own personalized portal where they can view their invoices, contracts, and other job-related information. The client site consolidates all this info into one place. To preview the client site, navigate to a booked job and go to the Contacts area in the Jobs Overview tab. Find the contact in your list and click the View Client Site link. The overview page provides a summary of the job details and the main invoice. The event location and personnel assigned to the job appear in the upper left, while the right side shows the package and its breakdown, including shipping costs, discounts, and taxes, if applicable. The next payment due will also be displayed. The event timeline shows all the job's events, meetings, and appointments. If a client opens an event, they can see a timeline for that particular event. The communications page shows the client all the emails you have sent them through the system. However, clients cannot reply to emails from this section. The emails are read-only. The Invoices section is where the client can view their invoices and print them out for their records if necessary. To view an invoice, simply click on it. It will show a breakdown of the order and also allow clients to make a payment at any time. Clients can also view previous payments. Clients can update their contact information in the Account section. Modifying the information here will also update the client's contact profile in the Studio view. They can also print out their contracts for their records. If you perform multiple jobs for a client, they will be able to access these jobs in their portal through a drop-down menu. Notice how the interface switches from wedding to headshot session when selected. If the client needs access to their client site, you can send them the URL that appears in your address bar. Each client has a unique link to their personalized client site. With access to their site, clients can look up job-related records and make payments anytime they want, making it convenient for both you and your clients.